So along with a turbo line from Jrone, we also offer the center housing rotating assembly. Now the center housing rotating assembly is going to give you your turbine wheel, your compressor wheel, your bearing housing, all balanced, VSR balance on the Turbo Technics machine. They will all come with a balance sheet right in the bag with center housing rotating assembly. And a center housing rotating assembly allows you to save money on your repair. Not every time a turbo fails does it need to be replaced the whole unit. You can take your exhaust housing off, take your compressor housing off, and bolt those to a center housing rotating assembly and give yourself essentially a brand new turbocharger, so long as your compressor housing and your turbine housing aren't damaged, cracked, broken, something like that. It'll give you the opportunity to save a bunch of money and have an equal repair when you put it back together. The center housing rotating assembly will also come with a 1-year warranty, and it is fully VSR balanced on the Turbo Technics machine. You'll get that balance sheet with your turbocharger. It's going to be a great way to save money and get your turbo back together. So if you're not sure if your repair is going to need a complete turbo or a center housing rotating assembly would fit the bill for you, give us a shout. We'd be glad to talk it over and point you in the best direction. You can get us at 844-447-1453, and we'd be glad to help you out. Highway and Heavy Parts.